Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Eating Tips 365. Many people make one common mistake when cooking sweet potatoes. They boil them directly in water. I used to do that too, until I realized it washes away the natural sweetness and a lot of the nutrients. After trying different methods, I found a few simple tricks that really make a difference. In this video, I want to share 3 easy but effective ways to cook sweet potatoes so they turn out soft, sweet, fragrant, and full of their original flavor. Choosing the right sweet potatoes. Start with sweet potatoes that are similar in size. This helps them cook evenly. Choose ones that still have a bit of dirt on the skin. That's usually a sign they're fresh. The skin should look firm and plump, not dry or shriveled. Avoid sweet potatoes that look too smooth or feel light. Those are often old and have lost moisture. Cleaning them properly. At home, put the sweet potatoes in a bowl of clean water. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and soak them for about 2 minutes. This helps loosen dirt. Use your hands to scrub each one clean. Do not peel the skin before cooking. The skin helps lock in both sweetness and nutrients. While washing, check carefully for mold or rot. If you find any, throw the whole potato away. Spoiled sweet potatoes can produce aflatoxin, which is very harmful. After washing, cut off both ends. These parts are usually tougher and don't taste as good. If you see white sap coming out, that's a good sign. The more sap, the fresher the potato. Next, soak the sweet potatoes in another bowl of water with 1 tablespoon of salt for about 15 minutes. Make sure both ends are fully submerged. This step helps reduce bloating or acid reflux for some people, and it also helps the potatoes cook faster and taste sweeter. Rinse once more and drain well before cooking. Method 1. Baking whole sweet potatoes. Use a fork or knife to poke a few small holes around each sweet potato. This lets steam escape and prevents cracking. Brush a thin layer of olive oil or butter over the skin. This helps the skin turn slightly crispy and gives a nice golden color. Place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, or directly on the oven rack. Bake at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes, depending on size. To check doneness, insert a toothpick or chopstick into the center. If it goes in easily and feels soft inside, they're ready. The result is simple but very satisfying. Crispy skin on the outside, soft and naturally sweet inside. This works well as a side dish or a healthy snack. Method 2. Steaming the right way. Fill a pot with water. Cover, and bring it to a boil over high heat. Only place the sweet potatoes on the steaming rack after the water is boiling. This is important for even cooking and better flavor. Cover tightly and steam on high heat for about 15 minutes until the potatoes are halfway cooked. Then lower the heat to medium and steam for another 15 minutes. Cooking slowly at this stage allows starch to convert into sugar, making the potatoes naturally sweeter. When you open the lid, you'll notice a gentle sweet aroma. The skin may crack slightly, and the inside should be soft and smooth. Let them cool a bit, then enjoy. This method keeps the most nutrients and brings out the natural sweetness without adding anything. Method 3. Baked sweet potato dessert. Start with steamed sweet potatoes that are fully soft. Peel off the skin, cut them into small pieces and mash while still hot. Add butter, sugar, and a small pinch of salt. Beat 1 egg separately, then add it to the mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour. Mix until smooth. Pour the mixture into a baking tray. Smooth the surface, and bake at 175 degrees, 350 degrees for 25-30 minutes. Once baked, the surface looks golden and inviting. This dish is great for weekends or small gatherings. That's all I wanted to share today. These are simple methods, but they really change how sweet potatoes taste and feel. If you found this useful, like and subscribe so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a healthy, energetic day.